Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to customize your Telegram text with different fonts? Here is how you can adjust it on your iPhone. While Telegram doesn't offer direct font customization, you can use third-party keyboards with custom fonts such as Fancy Key or Front Keyboard. Download and set up one of these keyboards from the App Store. When typing in Telegram, switch to the new keyboard to select from different font styles and apply them to your messages. Have fun adding unique touch to your Telegram chat with custom fonts. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.